Are you looking to form a company in the British Virgin Islands? BVI? This video will walk you through the steps on how to form a company in the British Virgin Islands, BVI. We will cover everything you need to know, from choosing a company name and registering your company to opening a bank account and paying taxes. We will also provide you with tips on how to make the process as smooth and efficient as possible. Before diving deep, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with the world of offshore companies and international businesses. When it involves offshore jurisdictions for organization formation, the British Virgin Islands, BVI, stands out as a famous preference for proper reasons. Let's dive into the benefits it offers, making it a compelling vacation spot for organizations. A tax-free haven. One of the most attractive functions of the BVI is its tax-free regime. Here, groups enjoy freedom from income tax, capital gains tax, and withholding tax. This translates to large financial savings, making it a financially savvy desire for groups. Tailored flexibility. BVI. Companies offer a top-notch diploma of flexibleness. You have the liberty to structure your company in a way that completely aligns along with your specific commercial enterprise needs. Forget approximately rigid necessities. There is no minimal threshold for shareholders or directors, and the choice of bearer stocks provides for this adaptability. Guarding privacy. In the BVI, the identities of a company's shareholders and directors are stored confidential. This layer of privacy acts as a guard, safeguarding the private information of enterprise owners and imparting peace of thoughts. Stability matters. Opting for the BVI means choosing a jurisdiction known for its political and economic stability. This balance aspect is paramount for corporations in search of a stable environment to flourish. Seamless operations. The BVI boasts a properly advanced prison and regulatory device. This ensures that forming and maintaining an enterprise here is a hassle-free system, letting you awareness on what in reality matters, your business. The government has implemented a zero tax rate on corporate taxes for offshore entities. There are no statutory requirements for a BVI offshore entity to state its company's objectives or its legal structure. There are no mandatory requirements for filing of company's audits, taxes, or financial information. Corporate income tax is 0%. Personal income tax is 0%. Value-added tax is 0%. To maintain international standards, the BVI has signed Tax Information Exchange Agreements, TIAs, with over 60 jurisdictions. To establish a BVI company, you will need the following: 1 director, 1 shareholder, a unique business name, a share certificate book, a company seal, a registered address, and a registered agent. Documents required for a company incorporation in the BVI are Certificate of Incorporation, Articles and Memorandum of Association, a minimum of 1 shareholder and director, a legal registered office, a legal registered agent, director's acceptance letter, share S certificate, articles, and plan of consolidation. Notarized passport copies. If the above requirements and documents seem overwhelming, then please don't worry, as Vepapu takes care of these things and ensures your BVI company incorporation is simple, smooth, and hassle-free. Step 1. Scout around. Commence by thoroughly researching the BVI company registration process. The British Virgin Islands may seem like an enchanting destination for your offshore company, but delving into its intricate registration procedures can be daunting, particularly if you're unfamiliar with the territory. Begin your journey by immersing yourself in the nuances of the BVI's business landscape. Explore the legal requirements, documentation, and potential challenges. This initial scouting phase is crucial for gaining a comprehensive understanding of what lies ahead. To navigate these complexities seamlessly, consider enlisting the services of reputable corporate service firms like Vepapu. These experts are well-versed in the BVI's regulatory framework and can be invaluable in guiding you through the application process, ensuring that you meet the necessary compliance requirements. Step 2. Submit the necessary documents. With your newfound knowledge of the BVI's registration process, it's time to gather and prepare the essential documents required for submission. This step is the backbone of your company formation journey. The completeness and accuracy of your documentation play a pivotal role in the success of your application. In addition to the completed forms of Memorandum of Association, MOA, and Articles of Organization, AOA, ensure you have the necessary proof of identity for both directors and shareholders, as this is a critical component of your application. Additionally, prepare the required share certificate book, complete with signatures from 2 corporate directors, and don't forget to obtain a company seal. Lastly, secure a registered address within the BVI jurisdiction and appoint a registered agent to act on your company's behalf. These elements are indispensable for demonstrating your company's commitment to adhering to the BVI's legal framework. Step 3. Pay the fees. Successfully navigating the documentation phase leads you to the financial aspect of your company formation. To formalize your incorporation in the BVI, you must pay the annual registration fee of $450. This fee covers the initial incorporation and subsequent renewals, ensuring that your company maintains its legal status in the jurisdiction. Budget accordingly for this expenditure, as it is a recurring annual requirement to keep your company in good standing within the British Virgin Islands. This financial commitment is a testament to your dedication to operating within the BVI and reaping the benefits of its business-friendly environment. Step 4. Bank account opening. With your company's legal foundation in place, the next step is to establish a local bank account within the British Virgin Islands. The BVI offers a selection of reputable banks to choose from, each with its own set of services and benefits tailored to the needs of offshore companies. While this step can be navigated independently, many corporate service firms also offer assistance with bank account opening as part of their comprehensive service packages. If you've engaged such a firm, they may streamline this process for you, facilitating the setup of your company's bank account. Choosing the right bank is a strategic decision, and factors such as ease of access, financial services offered, and compatibility with your business goals should all be considered. Step 5. Annual renewal. Your journey to forming a company in the British Virgin Islands doesn't conclude with successful registration and bank account setup. It's essential to recognize the ongoing responsibilities involved in maintaining your company's legal standing. An integral part of this process is the annual renewal of your company's registration. While you won't need to submit audits, financial statements, or annual tax returns, you must ensure that your company remains in good standing within the jurisdiction. This involves renewing your registration annually, and once again, paying the registration fee of $450. By fulfilling this annual obligation, you signal your commitment to adhering to the regulatory framework, keeping your company's operations running smoothly and continuing to benefit from the advantages of operating in this renowned offshore destination. In conclusion, as you embark on the journey of forming your company in the British Virgin Islands, BV, remember that Vepapu is here to support your every step. With our expertise in offshore company formation and a deep understanding of the BVI's business landscape, we're your trusted partner in making this process smooth and efficient. Whether you're a startup looking for a tax-friendly jurisdiction or an established business aiming to expand internationally, Vepapu offers tailored solutions to meet your unique needs. Our commitment to excellence and personalized service ensures that your venture in the BVI is not just a business move, but a strategic success. So, seize the opportunity, explore the benefits of the BVI, and let Vepapu be your guide in this exciting journey of global entrepreneurship. Together, we'll turn your business dreams into reality in the stunning British Virgin Islands.